Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this iconic mall goth aesthetics that we love in the 2000s. So if you're all about bold eyeliner, chunky boots and angsty vibe, this one is for you. So this is the mall goth look that I created in DTI, and let's create it from scratch. So first, for the hair, I'm using these three hairstyle. The first two you can get it on the straight category in the salon, and this one you can get it on the masculine category. And for the outfit, first I'm going to go to this. I'm going to put on this bra in here, this one. And for the first color, I'm going to use this pattern, and the second you can go with black. And here I'm going to put on the shoe first, this one. I'm going to make it the color black and white. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to go to the men's section and put on this mesh top and put on this and accessory. For the top, I'm going to use a code item. You can use this jacket here and toggle it into without watermelon and change the color to black like this. Now for the pants, here I'm using this jeans in here and change the color into like dark gray and change the color of the flower into black. Okay, and I'm going to put on some accessory including this choker necklace, this one, and also this necklace here. Change the second color into dark gray. Okay, now I'm going to put on this belt. And this is optional, but you can also add this accessory that I added. So first I'm going to use this hat and change the color into black. Here I'm going to adjust the rotate. Okay, I'm going to make it like this. And I'm going to add this crown, but change the color into black. Now you can also reposition it like I do here. And only the spike will be visible. So this is the final look for the mall goth that I created on DTI. So don't just dress to impress, but dress to intimidate with style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.